Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
We gave you a ticket for speeding.
Okay.
We're gonna give your guns back to you.
Hi guys, is that Shane's TV? It has to be. Let me go look. Is this nigga in here watching Family Guy? Shane's TV.
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, who you with, twin?
I'm your biggest fan.
My biggest fan?
Yeah.
How you find me?
I'm your biggest supporter.
You can't just walk up on me while I'm sleeping.
Is you sleeping in your car?
Yeah.
Why?
If I sleep in my car, I get to watch Family Guy. You feel me? I got leather seats. You feel me? I got a Draco. I got some water, twin. Why I can't sleep in my car? Why are you opening my door, first of all? Why are you opening my door?
I'm your biggest fan.
If you my biggest fan, what type of car this is?
A Hellcat.
Okay. Well, since you my biggest fan, I do got a Q&A video that I'm supposed to be, you feel me, making for today. So can you ask me the question while I drive?
Yes.
All right, bet. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sons TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video for y'all boys. You feel me? So y'all can see we got the big cat out in the back. You feel me? Got the big cat out. So you feel me? Today's video, y'all, we finna be doing a Q&A video where I'm gonna get my girl to ask me questions while I drive the big cat. You feel me? You feel me? So it's gonna be a Q&A POV type of video. I'm gonna be driving. She gonna ask me the questions. And you feel me? I'm gonna answer them from y'all boys. So basically, over the past couple videos that I've been making, I've been screenshotting the comments. I told y'all I was gonna have a Q&A video coming out. So that's what we got planned for today. And in the future, make sure y'all boys, you feel me, leave some comments so we can do some more Q&A videos. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into the cat, you feel me? Y'all, so now we are officially in the whip, you feel me? We're gonna go ahead and get this video started, you feel me? So I'm gonna be getting my girl to read the questions, you feel me? And I'm gonna answer it while you feel me driving. Are you go ahead and start with the first question, twin?
Okay, so we got rolled by the bed. He asked you what you be recording your videos with.
So my boy Roll by the Bag asked me what do I be recording with. So I'm finna show y'all. This is the phone right here that I record with. It's an iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, this bit look like it been through a lot of stress, you feel me? It's like somebody bit a piece of glass off that bit, but this is what I use for my, you feel me, my videos. This is the head mount that I use. Again, this is broken too. I got some thread to keep this bit from, you feel me, disengaging. But that's all that I use for like my videos, y'all. Y'all do not have to go out there and buy a super expensive camera, you feel me? Just use your phone, twin. Your phone gonna get the job done, you feel me? And get one of these Pale King. I don't know if y'all can spell it, but get one of these Pale King head mounts and you gonna be in the game, no doubt. I use a 13 Pro Max, you feel me? And you put that bit in wide angle when you're doing your POV videos so you can pick up everything. You gotta make sure you put that bit in wide angle, no doubt. We ready for the next question?
Okay, you got a comment from Nitro Leo. He says you planning on getting a drag pack.
Am I planning on getting a drag pack? So I do want to go ahead and get a drag pack, you feel me? Because it is finna be summertime and it's finna be hot, you feel me? And it's gonna be time to race, you feel me? So I ain't gonna lie, I might get me a drag pack around May-ish, you feel me? So you black your bag the hook, you feel me? I done did enough sliding through the winter time and stuff. It's time to get back to hooking, you feel me? So yeah, I will be getting a drag pack. It'll be coming real soon, no doubt. Next question.
Okay, it's from Jaden. He said, is your cat tuned?
Jaden, my cat is not tuned, you feel me? I do want to get a tune. This just stock cat, you feel me? This just what the cat do, you feel me? This ain't no tune, but I ain't gonna even count. I do want to get a tune. I'm trying to figure out, do I want to go the underground tune route and like, you feel me, have like the fire pops and stuff? You like shooting flames, or do I want to go pulley and get my junk tuned for like making my car like 1,000 horsepower, you feel me? I ain't made my mind up yet, but it's not tuned at the moment, but it will be tuned sometime in the future. Just stay tuned, no doubt. Next question.
From the Terry Smith, he said, what year is your car?
My car is a 2018, my boy, you feel me? So basically, when I was looking for Hellcats, the ones that was like 2019 and above was very, very expensive, and they all of them didn't come with the sunroof. You feel me? The Harman Kardon sound system, and what else? And they ain't a lot of them that come with the leather seats. It was like the new ones, they were missing at least one thing. You might have the Harman Kardon with the leather seats, but you get no sunroof. But on the 18s, it seemed like a lot of them had, you feel me? It had all the features that you wanted, you feel me? And they were also a little cheaper, and they had the newest stuff. In 2018, they changed a couple parts on here, you feel me? So I went with the 2018 twin, no doubt. All right, we ready for the next question?
Okay, you got a comment from your favorite 2K. He said, are you going to add a wide body kit to it?
So, if I do go the wide body route, I don't want to go through like Vicreds or nothing. I want to get me an actual OEM wide body kit, you feel me? Where I can basically just bolt the front fenders on. They will have to do some type of work to the back though. Oh! My fault, twin, you feel me? The cat was pulling, no doubt. But if I do go wide body, I'm going to be going OEM wide body because I don't really like the way the other ones be looking. And I hear some police.
They behind us.
They behind us. Oh, Lord. Yeah, the crazy thing is I got pulled over a day before I go to court. I got to go back to court tomorrow. No doubt. You feel me? It been taking these boys so long to do whatever they trying to do. I think they trying to make sure my guns ain't stolen. Trying to make sure my car ain't stolen. Everything legit, twin. Or he coming back now, twin. Now we gotta find out. You feel me? What's the dealio?
Alright, man. So we gave you a ticket for speeding.
Okay.
We're gonna give your guns back to you. We're gonna place them in the trunk. All right, is that all right with you?
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
I unloaded it. The Glock. Once you pull a little bit down the road, you can get out and load it back up.
Okay.
We're just doing it for everybody's safety. All right.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, so if you want to pop the trunk, we'll go ahead and place them back in there.
Okay.
Yeah, pop the trunk.
Oh, what happened? All right, y'all. So you feel me? Them boy gave a nigga a ticket. You feel me? Hey, they turning their lights on again.
Yeah, now they coming in way.
I'm trying to see. I don't know what's going on, y'all, but they got you boy a ticket, but we still finna finish this video. You feel me? What's the next question, twin?
Okay, we got a comment from MSR762. He said it sounds crazy. What's exhaust setup you running?
Twin, we running mid-muffler delete, you feel me? You feel me? That's all we got on the cat. If you get a mid-muffler delete on the cat, y'all, like, that bit, it gonna wake that bit up, no doubt. Like, that bit be screaming. I ain't gonna count. I'm thinking about going catless, though, but I just ain't did it yet because I feel like if I go catless, I ain't gonna be able to hear my supercharger whine no more. So, I'm still indecisive, but you feel me? We running just a mid-muffler delete for now. Go with the next one.
Okay, so we got a comment from Aaron Otis 3158. He said, "Would you daily driving?"
No, I do not daily drive my car. So basically, it's really only for the weekends. Sometimes I may drive it once or twice throughout the week just to like go around the corner. But nah, I don't daily drive it. Like the gas and stuff, that's gonna get expensive. And as you can see from the video, the police be on tilt, bro. Like they're gonna be crazy. I ain't gonna even count, bro.
Ready?
Yeah.
We got a comment from OTHIENOHT2CH. He said, "How did you get it to popular like that? Just exhaust work or tune?"
So the way I get my car to pop, so I have a mid-muffler delete, but I don't know. It's just you gotta play with the pedal. Like if you downshifting and you like tap the gas. Let me see if I can do it. It'll pop. Let's see. It popped a little bit. Y'all hear that? It popped a little bit. You just gotta play with the pedal for real. Like I tapped the pedal a little bit, and you feel me? That bitch just be popping. When it's cold outside, it pops more for some reason. But I heard if you go catless, it pop a lot more, and the pops are actually louder. So that's what I'm interested in doing next. You feel me? Next question.
Okay, we got a comment from Gear Shield Borsch. He said, "What do you use as a camera or a mic for you?"
What I use for the camera and the mic is just an iPhone twin. Everybody got a phone. You just pull your phone out and record. I use an iPhone 13 Pro Max to do my recording. I'm just recording off this other phone so she can read the comments, you feel me? But I use an iPhone 13 Pro Max and the regular mic that come on the phone. That's all you need to get started. Now, once you progress in YouTube, then you can upgrade to some different stuff. But you don't need all that at the moment, twin. Just pick up your camera and record. Next question.
Okay, we got a comment from JoJo 2Shifty. He said, "Yo, bro, what camera you have?"
Those the one with 3 on. So, all right, you don't have to answer all of them. So basically, 3 people asked me the same question. Just say their names.
Okay. JoJo 2Shifty. 5 Slow Slovo. The Gear Shield Borsch.
Wherever that is, wherever she said, y'all know who y'all live. I'm gonna put y'all tags down here, you feel me? But to both y'all, to all y'all, yeah, I use iPhone 13 Pro Max with the regular mic. And as y'all seen early in the clip, early in the video, I use a Pale King head mount from a POVs. That's it. Next question.
From Jay Sean Broswell 5300. He said catless.
Yeah, so like I said, I think about going catless. I might start off with gutted cats because I got some catalytic converters at the house that I gutted, and I'm just gonna put them on there first, and then I'm gonna put my O2 extender so I don't get the check engine light, and I'm gonna see how it sound. If it take away from the supercharger wine, I'm just gonna take them back off, twin. Or I don't know, I might fall in love with the catless sound, you feel me? But that's where we stand on that.
Okay, from Vincent Henderson for 6529. He said, "How did you get your car?"
I went to Georgia because that's where I found the best deal. This car was $54,000, you feel me? So I took my Scat Pack down there, I traded it in, and they gave me a pretty good buyback price, like trade-in value for the Scat. So I went down there, traded the Scat in for the Hellcat, and I also canceled my extended warranties and all that stuff on my Scat. And the dealership I bought the Scat from sent me a $6,000 check for canceling all that stuff. So that's how I ended up getting it, twin. You feel me? My credit score was a 790, so I already knew I was gonna get approved. You feel me? Any more questions?
Yeah. From XS_cooling_1756. He said, "Okay, bro, is this a Hellcat like hard to drive? I know it's a 17 horse, but is it really hard to drive?"
No, the Hellcat is not really hard to drive if you know how to drive. If you don't know how to drive, then you feel me, it might be a little, you might not be able to control it. But for me personally, this car is easy to drive. Like, you feel me? You just got to know what you're doing. You can't just buy the car day one and just start going crazy. You're gonna have to learn the car. You feel me? You gotta put in some time. You gotta do your bell ringers. You feel me? So yeah. Any more?
We got this last one question from AZ_Tony. He said, "Do your back wheels rub it all? I'm trying to run 315 on the back, but I'm lower spring."
So I run 305s when I'm actually using my correct tire setup, and it do rub just a tad bit on the 305s. If you do 315s, it's gonna rub even more. But it is a video where somebody told me I can basically heat up my wheel well, the plastic, and I can basically like morph it into a different shape so that you can fit the 315s on there. So you can put 315s, you just gonna have to modify that wheel well so it don't be rubbing up against it. Anything else?
That's it.
Well, y'all, that's it. You feel me? That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, y'all. We got the Q&A all knocked out. You feel me? We will be doing another one of these in the future. So, like I said, go ahead and be texting me these comments. Get your comments ready so your boy can answer these questions for y'all boys. And that's gonna wrap it up, though, y'all. We also got pulled over in the ticket, but it is what it is. Things happen in life. You feel me? We just gonna pay the ticket and keep it moving. You feel me? But if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Hit that post notification bell. Y'all run this video up, no cap. Also subscribe to her stuff, Liz TV. You feel me? That's our YouTube. And you feel me? I'll see y'all boys next time. Peace.